Everyone's obsessing over Fed cuts and Bitcoin noise, but Victoria Green says the real story is a stimulus-fueled rally that could blindside anyone who panic sold this pullback. Stick around to hear the one under-the-radar catalyst Green says could quietly flip lower and middle-income consumers from squeeze to spending again, and why that could matter more than whatever the Fed says next.
Be able to see a little intraday rally and kind of pick up on the momentum. All things considered, the last 5 trading days of November were heroic. Saved a nasty down month, saved a 5% rebound basically. And so for some of this might be a breather as we take stake. Okay, where are we really? Is the Fed really going to cut? And I think that's going to be crucial. Are we going to get a cut on December 10th? Which right now markets are pricing in very highly, yes. So I see risk assets going to be able to rally out December.
All right. I think that leads us to your word today. It's spirit. Are you talking about animal spirits? Or are you talking about, the ghost of Christmas past coming up? I mean, what spirit should we be looking at right now? Because the markets have been really herky-jerky in November, but finished strong this last holiday week.
And I know I'm going to take it a little old school Texas style. I'm a proud alumni of Texas A&M and a huge A&M football fan. And we're always known for our fighting Texas Aggie spirit. And that's what this market needs. We just got kicked in the teeth on Friday by our bitter rivals on Texas, unfortunately. But we're never down and out for the count. We're still a national championship hunt. And that's what these markets are too. They got kicked in the teeth in November. They're showing the fighting spirit here. And we really feel like just like our A&M football team can rally out, the markets can rally out the year as well, even if you have a couple bitter losses along the way.
All right, so you see a rally going into the year. We were talking about this earlier, some very bullish or just positive S&P price targets for 2026, right around 7,500 for next year. Do you agree with that sentiment that we're on pace for a good year next year? Earnings estimates also 13% higher year over year. Or are you a little bit more skeptical as we go into the new year? Because not only do we have questions about the Fed, we have questions about tariffs being overturned. I mean, there are some questions out there for next year.
I'm in the keep calm and rally on. I think everybody's being a little more realistic. We're talking about a 10 to 12% return on average, not this 25% that we've seen from some markets recently coming off the 2022 bear markets. So it's a little bit of a pullback. We do expect more volatility. Second year of a presidential cycle, it tends to be a little bit more herky-jerky. But look at the tax revenues coming down the pipeline. The one big beautiful bill, we are likely going to see massive stimulus coming back to the lower middle income, which we know we've been talking about the K-shaped recovery on the pressure on lower middle income. We see that alleviating a little bit Q1, Q2 because of the tax changes and what's coming down the pipe.
All right, Vicki, we only got a few seconds left. Your picks, Marvell Technologies. I was looking at the chart. It's lagging the rest of the chips since the April lows. Why buy that now?
It's all about AWS, Amazon, the Trainium 3 chip, and I think they're going to get this bad news out of the way. They're going to show their path forward, double-digit growth. I like it going into earnings because of its scale with the hyperscalers, and it's so crucial in data center building.